How to use inbuilt camera for vlogging in Reelshot. Ready to start vlogging without leaving the app? Here's how to use the inbuilt camera for vlogging in Reelshot. First, open Reelshot and tap on the camera icon usually found at the home screen. Make sure the mode is set to video. Then adjust your resolution and frame rate using the options at the bottom. Switch to front camera if you prefer filming yourself, and make sure your lighting and background look good before you hit record. Press the big red record button to begin your vlog. You can pause and resume anytime during recording, and even adjust focus by tapping on the screen. When you are finished, tap stop and your clip will automatically save as a draft so you can start editing right away. Have you filmed a vlog with Reelshot yet? Tell us what it was about in the comments below. Keep your phone steady or use a tripod to make your vlogs look more professional. And that's how you can use inbuilt camera for vlogging in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.